guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Dawes Handmade Creations, and today I come to you with another flower tutorial. This is number 2, and today we are doing this flower here, which is Creative Expressions, a craft die by Sue Wilson, and it's called Tropical Hibiscus. I actually have 3 sets of this die. This is only 2 of them, but I have 3 packages of them. I love the way that looks. This is another one of my favorite dies. So here are some that I have created. They are drying with the glossy accents in the middle, and we're gonna do one more pink. One. I don't have to do a teal. I'm just gonna do one more of the pink. And let me hold them up so y'all can see them closer. I know y'all seen these before. I love them, love them, love them. Alright. So they're still drying. Y'all know glossy accent takes a while. Alright. I'm going to move these out of the way. So the first thing that we do, I like to use the same color. Alright, you're getting your big kick out. Pink paper. I like to use the ink, the same, a little bit different shade as the paper. So whatever color it is, I just like to use a different shade of that color. Alright. So you can tell I've been using these. They have ink on them, but you'll see why in just a second. So I'm using my magnetic platform. It does good to cut. Do it the right way, this way. Try to keep it on the same side that has the ink so I can clean them later. That's easy to go through. They're very smooth. Oh, shoot. Alright. So now I'm just going to take them up very easy because you want to keep the cutout inside. Okay. When you have dies that have the cutout like that, you can emboss. A lot of times you can emboss. So what we're doing now is I have my silicone embossing mat. Let me see if I can get the... That's what it is. It's a Sizzix silicone rubber, and that's what I use for embossing. It says it right there for embossing. Okay. Keep that same dirty side down. Because it doesn't matter, I got to do the next step. Now this is the hard part. Y'all are probably shaking, but it takes some muscle to get through there. And you know you're doing it correctly if this is squeezing out the back. It is supposed to squeeze out the back. It's silicone, and that just shows you that it is working. You got to put a little bit more elbow grease in this when you're doing that one. Alright, so now that that is pushed through, take my paper. You're still leaving them inside the die. This one is a little bit more intricate. Alright, so I think we can... I gotta clean these off, but we'll do that in a moment. Just didn't want to get on that, but that's okay. I need to clean that. Don't want it to get dry. Alright, so now I just have a piece of computer paper. Now you know that first set we did, let me show you again. This set I use the Tim Holtz Distress Oxide Peacock Feathers for that one. I love how that is raised up, that dimensions from doing it with the embossing rubber silicone mat. So we're going to use picked raspberry Distress Oxide. These are so vibrant. I love these inks. Alright, so leaving them in there, I know y'all can tell my fingers are a mess. I'm just going to rub it with my thing here and just rub it across. Keeping it inside. Get every little bit. Yeah, this is a little messy. I know some do not like stuff on their fingers and all that, but it'll come off. Everything comes off in the wash, right? So once you get that, I'm just cleaning this off a little bit. Put it up. Alright, we don't need the inks anymore. Clean my finger a little bit. We have to clean those other things too. I just use alcohol to clean it, guys. Alright, so now let's bring our container back. This is a super quick tutorial. Where is my pokey? Alright, now I'll just lightly poke at it. Bam! Look at that. Super cute. Bam. She said bam. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And I like to do 2 big ones and 1 small. So this extra small will go for another one. I even tried to do, you know, small ones with each, but it's only 2 different sizes, and I don't like how it looks. So this is the only way I do this flower. Whoa! Remember, it's still wet. Got something on it right there. Probably something from inside here. Okay, we don't want it to stick to it. All right. So I need to clean that. We'll just leave that to the side again. All this stuff has to be cleaned. Alcohol. Matter of fact, let me get my thing out. This is going very fast, so we're good. Look at that. And of course, I'm gonna take a bath, guys, but you know, just to get that off my hands. Matter of fact, since I got the alcohol on here, guys, I want to do this real quick. Plus, somebody might want to know, how do you clean? I have a pink alcohol. This is 91% because I do tumblers. So I just use that. I'm going to switch. Look how easy that just came off of my cutting plate. Look at that. And I'm going to do this one as well because I was putting it on there. Love it. I gotta make sure I got me another set of these. They're still good. I mean, I use one always to cut on top, and this one is the top piece every time. Alright, so that's good. Let's put that back. Gotta clean the dies themselves. But alright, let's put this together. So we're going to take my favorite glue, Art Glitter Glue. Y'all know this is my bottle I love to use because of the size. I just keep refilling it. Alright. Make sure they dry. It's still a little damp. And that one kind of went over a little bit. Alright. So what I do now is what I always do with my flowers. I just put it down with my tweezers, bend them up. This kind of overfilled a little bit, but still cute. Went over, I don't know why. Okay, we're gonna do the next one. I could use my heat gun, but that's okay. Trying to make this a quick one. And I just use 2 big, 1 little. Glue these together. I'm going to show y'all how I do the centers. Booyah. Alright, so now, just like the other ones, I just put glue in the middle, and we're going to offset. Oh, this was one of my earlier flowers that I was doing. And I love this one. Still love it. It's so pretty. Look at that. Now, isn't that beautiful? Take it off this paper. There we go. Alright, now for the centers, I'm going to throw this in my tray of extras. For the centers, I use, this is all the, not all, this is some of the metals that I got from my girl, Monica. Scrub for my boy. Oh, well, this is the color we're using here for, yeah, for the pink ones. I'm using that. But, those are all the centers and metals findings. Not all of them, but you know what I'm saying. I put one in this tray. Alright, so now we're going to use glossy accent. Put this pen back in this glue. Glossy accents. And I'm just going to squeeze a little dot in there. Okay. And put it up so y'all can see the dot. Add the metal finding. Spread it out just a little bit by pressing it down. This is my stamen. Sinks right in there. And then I put one more little dot on top of that. It's a tiny dot. Okay. Got bubbles coming up. I tried to do a tiny dot, but mine has busted on the side. So, however it comes out, that's how it come out. Alright. Oh, shiza. Sorry. Okay. So, now, some rhinestones. These are glass gems. Also from my girl, Monica. I buy a lot of stuff from her. I need to order some more. Alright, now just pick it up and drop it in. Booyah. When it sinks down and dries, that is done. That was a quick tutorial, guys. I love it. And for the leaves, I'll either cut the leaves out, these here, or the leaves like I showed before. Where are they? My gold ones don't seem to want to stay. I might have to put these in a different bag. Come on. So just whatever I want to send with them. White, pink, baby blue, green, gold, or silver. So when I share my flowers, I put them on a project, I love to use these. I need to put these in a different bag. But there you go, guys. Wasn't that quick? I love it. I love it. These are beautiful. Y'all let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.